Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you on how to drop down numbers on Microsoft Excel without having to add the numbers manually. For example, we're going to do there 1 2 3. Maybe you want up to 100. So what do? Just undo this, undo everything. So you need a list. In the format, let's go to home. Maybe you have number 1. There you have 1 learner, 2 learners, 3. So we have, maybe here you need James, here you need John, maybe you need Jane. Oh, here you have Mike. Jane again. Joy. Lucy. Charles. So now you need to label them downwards without any hassle of doing that. So what you shall do, let's assume there are no these numbers, even the 1 and 2 and 3. Let's assume we don't have them. So you need those numbers there. Drop down 1 up to, you need 1 up to 100. So what you shall have to do is give it 1 there, give it 2 there, give it 3 there. Then using your left click, dragging the cursor, you drop up to 3. You can see the plus sign. And there you are seeing something like a dot. So what you have just to do is left click on that dot as you drag downwards, drag it downwards up to your desired point. You can see it's naming. You can drag it, it's naming up to 50. We need it up to 100. Drag it down up to 100. There you get your numbers code lined up from 1 2 up to 100. So I just can repeat once more. So undo here and undo there. Maybe we can give it a page layout and not we change the size of those windows. Right click here. Not there. Need to change the size of the width. Format the width first. Let me make it a smaller one. Let us use 3. So I repeat, what you have to do is just give it the numbers 1 2 3. Then you right click, drag and drop up to 3, up to the last digit. And you see that dot there with, then you drag your cursor up to the mouse sign and you start dropping it down slowly by slowly. So up to, you need it up to 100. Is your 100 there. Then you just release and you have your numbers labeled from 1 up to 100. So if you want to shift the sizes of these columns, just go to home and format, and you get the default width. And highlight the whole thing. We take it to 5 and see it enlarging. You can highlight the other side. That's why you get the size of these columns. Home, format to default width. But for today we are sticking to naming the numbers from 1 and dropping the numbers downwards. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. Just give it 1, 2, 3. Click, drag and drop. Go to that dot sign. You shall see a plus sign where you drag and drop to the last end to get your numbers. Maybe we shall get around 51. Nice, loud and clear. Any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section and I'll reply to you in due time. Thank you for